Hello my people! In this video we will see how to log in with your username on Epic Games. The first and the most important pass is we will to search this in Google, and we have step to login. Step 1. Go to the login page. Open your web browser and go to this page, epicgames.com. I did login. Step 2. Enter email. Type the email address linked to your Epic Games account in the sign with email field. Then select continue. Step 3. Enter password. Input your password for the account. Step 4. Complete 2FA if prompted. Enter the code from your authenticator app, phone, or email to verify your login. Step 5. Sign in. Click the sign in button. We have alternative login methods if linked. Once the sign in page, you will see icons for other services like Google, Facebook, Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo. Click the icon for the platform you have linked to your Epic account to sign in directly through that service. If you can't find your email or username, go to the Epic Games login page and click Troubleshooting. You can then enter your Epic display name, account ID, or the display name of a linked account, like your console, to find the email associated with it. And that's all. If you liked the video, and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.